The title and thumbnail of this video say, Converge di kayang paganahin ang USB port ng Wi-Fi 6 modem that it provided to their customers? Here's why. Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks. Sa aking previous video about Wi-Fi 6 modem ng Converge, sabi ko, I hope this is also activated para magamit natin. When Converge ship its new Wi-Fi 6 modem to its customers, by default, disable yung LAN 4 pati na ang USB port.
Kung makita dito, walang ilaw, naka-off ang lights dito, it means hindi siya activated.
Ano ba ang meron sa USB port ng modem? Malaki. You can connect an extra storage and network storage, pwede maging hard drive or SSD para maging network storage or NAS, network attached storage. You can store any files on the network storage from any device in your network. For example, pwede mo i-direct ang iyong security camera to record videos on the network storage as your backup, and these files on the network storage can be accessed by everyone in your house. As early as May, I requested Converge to activate the USB port. After about a month, there was progress on my request. The USB port indicator light was on. It means my external storage was already connected to the port. However, while the USB port has been open, but the port setting or the USB port setting on the router admin page on the browser cannot be found. In short, I can't still set up the network storage.
Itong aking network storage ay nakakonect na. May indicator light dito. So ito yung kable, nakakonect to doon sa USB port. And also makikita mo sa router mismo, sa modem, sa router modem, makikita mo dito na yung USB port na indicator light ay nagto-turn on siya. Pero it's solid green yung light. It means na the USB interface is completely working. Nagko-connect siya dito sa ating storage, pero nasa host mode lang siya. Hindi siya nagtatransmit ng data. Dapat kung maayos ito sana, naka-flashing green to siya like the other lights here, indicating na meron siyang transmission of data from the port to the storage. Kung titingnan natin dito sa browser, makikita natin dito sa browser, under sa local network, yan ang local network, wala dito ang USB port setting. Nandito lang ang status, the WLAN client status and the WLAN. Ito lang ang nasa web page or sa router admin page on the browser. So dapat makikita sana dito, nakalagay dito, kasali na dito status, WLAN at saka yung USB port setting. So yun ang problema nito.
There were exchanges of emails between me and Converge, but until now, di ko pa rin ma-set up yung network storage dahil di makikita ang USB port setting sa router admin page. Sinabi ko na rin sa customer service na kung hindi nila kaya, magpatulong na sila sa ZTE which manufactures the Wi-Fi 6 modem. Actually, nagpatulong ako directly from ZTE. Sinagot ng company support service ang aking email, but sabi nila, they can only work with the ISP Converge, which is their direct client. Pero, ZTE advised me to tell Converge to ask for their assistance regarding my request. So, sinabi ko ito sa customer service ng Converge. Di ko na rin alam kung anong nangyari.